In this video, we present fun, dynamic, everyday phrases and a few facts about Mozambique.
Bem-vindo a Moçambique.
Remember to like and subscribe for more exciting phrases. Mozambique is located in the southeast of Africa, bordered by Tanzania, Zambia, Malawi, South Africa, Swaziland, and Zimbabwe. Mozambique's capital city is Maputo. Other major cities include Matola, Beira, and Nampula. To get around Mozambique, the popular modes of transportation are train, bus, minibuses, driving, Viva taxi, and car hire. The currency is the Mozambican metical. The official language in Mozambique is Portuguese. Mozambique has a population of 32 million as of 2021. The country has a tropical to subtropical climate. The climate is largely influenced by the Indian Ocean, where the monsoon is strongest in northeastern Mozambique. What is Mozambique known for? Major industries include agriculture, mining, hydropower, and tourism. Agriculture is one of the most important activities in the country. Maize, rice, and tea are the main agricultural crops. Just over 2 million people visited Mozambique in 2019. There are several tourist attractions in Mozambique. The Bazaruto archipelago consists of a series of islands surrounded by the Indian Ocean. This destination is rich in beautiful sandbars and diverse aquatic life. Tourists can enjoy the beautiful views underwater of different types of fish, sea creatures, and coral reefs. We want to share interesting phrases that may be useful to learn before you travel to Mozambique.
Olá. Obrigado. De nada. Desculpe. Você fala inglês? Qual é o seu nome? Meu nome é. Adeus. Sim. Não. Não compreendo. Preciso de ajuda. Perdão. De onde você é? Eu sou de. Estou visitando. Quanto custa isto? Onde fica? Onde fica o ATM mais próximo? Onde posso encontrar um mecânico? Vocês têm Wi-Fi?
And now, some cool local slang to help you get around.
Qual é a cena? É maning nice. Estou a bazar. Tenho taco. Esta comida anima. Posso pegar uma boleia?